Happy New Year, guys! This is Manisha
And this is Sumitra
from The Culture Lab. It's more than education.
And today we're talking about
New Year resolution.
And I'm already working out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6.
So, my resolution this year is to read more books, at least a book a month.
And my resolution this year is to go to sleep early. Vidata, will you just stop carrying your imaginary dumbbells and come here and share? I am so motivated.
Okay, my New Year resolution is I want to exercise regularly. Okay. I'll stretch every. Okay, I'll try to work out every day.
1 week later.
You know what? I started this mantra meditation and it's really helping me improve my sleep cycle.
And I have this small group of friends where we share what we read every day, and it's really helping me. And what about Vidata?
I think she's dead. Oh my god, Vidata! What? Vidata? Hey, girl! Oh my god.
Oh, I want that back. Okay.
No way!
Is that a resolution?
So guys, when you're making resolution, make sure that it's practical enough.
And so that you can work on it.
Whatever. Guys, don't forget to like and share our videos. Also subscribe our channel. See ya. Happy New Year! Culture Lab. It's more than education.